So let's see on our chart where we had those instances. So we need to see where there was a sideways moving channel and a downwards moving channel. This area here could possibly be a downwards moving channel. So let's test our hypothesis. Since we've selected the parallel channel from our previous video, you can see that it's already an option. So we're left clicking on that, and then we're holding left click and dragging our channel in a downwards fashion. Now you can see that I've attempted the channel to touch at as many highs as possible. So it could be as a trend line, but once we left click again, determining the endpoint, and we drag our mouse in a downwards fashion, you can see that a channel is now emerging. Now, this could be a channel in theory. You have 1, 2, 3 touches, and you have multiple touches at the top. Just to explain, the upper boundary can act as a resistance level, and the downwards boundary can act as a support level. Crossing above or below could result in the price action moving towards the lower or upper boundary of our channel. So this could be a downwards moving channel. If you prefer, you could have made this into a downwards moving channel as well. Once it broke below, the price action moved lower. But in our view, this is slightly more appropriate. So I just need to edit this downwards moving channel once again. And once it broke above the upper boundary, the price action moved in an upwards fashion. Had it broken below, it could have moved significantly lower or could have remained within the channel. Now, since we've done a sideways and a downwards moving channel, we need to look at how to put an upwards moving channel. It is the same concept, and we can see that the price action moved higher here. So I could take a channel and draw it in this area here. Once I've clicked on left click, you can see that the channel is now being formed. I've stopped, and you can see that this was a relatively upwards moving channel. And once it broke our channel. It moved in a relatively sideways fashion, but then continued to move in an upwards direction. This is not an exact science, so it is up to your own interpretation. But generally speaking, as long as you have a variety of touches and it is moving in a predetermined direction, you could place a channel. So as you see, we've placed an upwards moving channel and a downwards moving channel and a sideways moving channel. However, we have not edited these channels. So you can see once we click on the gear button, we can even add a text. We can write upwards, and you can see that the text has now emerged on top of our channel. So you could write some notes. You could ensure that the coordinates are precise and the visibility on which time frame it may appear. So this is essentially how I would add my channels.